Hey guys, hope you're well. I'm Ivan. I run Odenix, an AI automation agency. Today I just want to show you how to create a chatbot that does lead capture and storage. So I'm running Flowise in the cloud using render, like I showed you how to do 2 videos ago. So if you don't know how to, go back and watch that. So here's my cloud instance of Flowise. So if we go to, let's just create a really simple AI agent. So we'll just supervisor. Gonna add a chat OpenAI model. Use my connect credential. And then just have one worker. That'll do for now. Just call it worker. Right. So yeah, just build the chatbot or agent of your choice. Then all you need to do is go here, go to configuration, go to leads. We're going to click enable lead capture, create a title, and the message after the lead captured is like, hi, how can I reach you? You might want to create a better one than that, but that will do for now. Thanks for the information. How can I help you? We can choose what we want to capture. So I'm going to pick everything here. I'm going to pick a name, an email address, and a phone number to save. I'm just going to embed it in some HTML. So I'll show you how it would look on a website. So if we go to find an HTML compiler, we'll do this one for now. Same one as I did in my last video. Copy that, paste it here, run the HTML output, and you'll see you get this message box here. And you have to give a name, email address, and a phone number. This isn't my real phone number, by the way, before it allows you to actually use the chatbot. And then if you want to find the information that you have been given, just go here, go to the cog and go to view leads, and it's been stored here. And you can export that as a JSON and add that to whatever CRM or whatever you use. So yeah, it's pretty simple to do and quite helpful. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. Cheers.